This is how you will receive your BoxOneRacing button box after ordering it. Within a few minutes, you will already be on the racetrack enjoying your new button box. We ship all of our products with as little plastic as possible to reduce waste. If you need additional support, please don't hesitate to reach out to info@BoxOneRacing.com. To mount the box, already mount the T-nut to the bracket with this configuration. This makes installation quick and easy. Use 4 of the provided screws and align the box to the mount and secure it tightly to the bracket. Plug in the USB cable and wait until the PC recognizes the box. Now you can start programming the buttons in your favorite simulator. Select the function you want to map, click the button on the box you want the function to map to. Do this for all your desired functions. You are now ready to race. Enjoy.